Seniors, just one daily habit to restore muscle strength, like you're 40 again. Imagine waking up one morning, feeling as strong and capable as you did in your 40s. No struggling to get out of a chair, no aching muscles slowing you down, just energy, strength, and confidence in every movement. Sounds impossible? Well, what if I told you that restoring your muscle strength isn't just wishful thinking, it's backed by science? And the best part? You only need one simple daily habit to make it happen. Stick around, because this could change everything. Welcome to Elders Companions, your trusted place for expert advice, health tips, and empowering insights to help seniors live stronger, healthier, and happier lives. If you're looking for ways to stay active, independent, and full of life, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable tips designed just for you. Now, let's dive in. What if there was a way to turn back the clock? Imagine waking up with the energy and strength you had in your 40s. Imagine climbing stairs, lifting groceries, or playing with your grandchildren without feeling like your muscles are fighting against you. Sounds too good to be true. Well, science says otherwise. There's one simple daily habit, yes, just one that could help seniors restore muscle strength and reclaim the vitality they once had. It doesn't involve lifting heavy weights or spending hours in a gym. It's not a miracle supplement or an expensive therapy. It's something natural, backed by research and proven to work. Before we reveal this game-changing habit, let's talk about why muscle loss happens in the first place. As we age, we experience a condition called sarcopenia. It's a fancy term, but all it really means is the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. Experts say we start losing muscle as early as our 30s, but the process speeds up after 60. By the time many people reach their 70s, they've lost up to half of their muscle mass. That's a shocking statistic, isn't it? And it's not just about looking fit. Muscle strength is directly linked to independence, mobility, and overall health. Weak muscles can lead to balance issues, increasing the risk of falls. And we all know how dangerous falls can be for seniors. A single fall could mean months of recovery, and in many cases, a loss of independence. But it's not just about the risk of falling. Muscle weakness can lead to chronic pain, difficulty standing up from a chair, and even struggles with everyday tasks like opening jars or carrying groceries. Now, here's where things get interesting. Scientists have been studying aging for decades, searching for ways to slow down muscle loss. And while exercise and diet play a role, researchers have discovered that one specific daily habit can make a huge difference. So, what is this simple habit? It's something called resistance band training. Yes, you heard that right, resistance bands. These stretchy, lightweight bands are far more powerful than they look. Unlike traditional weights, they provide controlled resistance that helps activate muscles without putting strain on joints. And the best part? You can use them anywhere at home, in the garden, or even while watching TV. Now, you might be wondering, how can something so simple actually work? The answer lies in how muscles grow. When you use a resistance band, your muscles have to work against the tension. This activates muscle fibers, signaling your body to repair and strengthen them. Over time, this leads to increased muscle mass, better balance, and greater flexibility. Research has shown that seniors who engage in resistance band exercises just 15 minutes a day experience noticeable improvements in strength and mobility within weeks, and the benefits don't stop there. These exercises also improve circulation, reduce joint pain, and even boost energy levels. Think about it, just a few simple movements each day could be the key to restoring strength, confidence, and independence. And here's where it gets even better. Resistance bands are incredibly gentle on the body. Unlike lifting heavy weights, which can strain joints, resistance bands offer smooth, controlled movements. This makes them perfect for seniors who may have arthritis or past injuries. But let's not just rely on theory. Let's talk about real-life success stories. Meet Margaret, a 72-year-old retired teacher who had been struggling with weakness in her legs. She found it difficult to stand for long periods, and stairs became a challenge. After just a month of daily resistance band training, she noticed a remarkable difference. Walking became easier, and she even regained the ability to get up from the floor without assistance. Then there's George, a 68-year-old grandfather who had given up on strength training after a knee injury. He thought he had no choice but to accept the weakness. But after incorporating resistance band exercises into his morning routine, he regained strength in his legs and could once again keep up with his grandkids at the park. Stories like these prove that it's never too late to rebuild strength. The human body is incredibly resilient, and with the right habits, it can adapt at any age. Now, let's talk about getting started. If you're new to resistance band training, the key is to begin with light resistance and focus on controlled movements. A simple routine could include seated leg presses, bicep curls, and gentle shoulder stretches. Just a few reps each day can lead to noticeable improvements over time. And if you're worried about doing it alone, don't be. Many senior-friendly workout programs offer guided videos that demonstrate the movements step by step. There are even community groups that incorporate resistance band exercises into their routines, making it a social and fun activity. Of course, consistency is key. Doing these exercises once in a while won't yield results, but if you commit to just 15 minutes a day, you'll be amazed at how quickly your strength improves. Let's also not forget the mental benefits. Strength training isn't just about muscles, it's about confidence. Many seniors report feeling more empowered and independent after incorporating resistance bands into their routine. It's not just about being able to lift things, it's about feeling capable, strong, and in control of your body again. And here's another bonus. Resistance band training isn't just for seniors. Even younger family members can join in, making it a great way to bond with loved ones while improving health together. So, what's stopping you? A healthier, stronger you is just one small habit away. Resistance bands might seem simple, but their impact is powerful. If you're ready to restore your muscle strength, improve mobility, and regain your independence, why not start today? If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with a friend or family member. You never know who might need this life-changing advice. And remember, age is just a number, but strength is a choice. Start today and see just how much of a difference one small habit can make.